Pair of straight lines, part 1.
Hi, hello everyone. Today I am going to cover pair of straight lines. See here, simply pair of straight line means the combined equation of two straight lines is called as pair of straight line. See here, pair of straight line means combined equation of two straight lines. See here, for example, let a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. So this is the one of the straight line, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. This is the equation. So this is L1 straight line and this is L2 straight line. Okay. Then product of L1 and L2 are combined equations of 1 and 2. See here, then L1 into L2 is equals to 0 is called pair of straight lines. Is called what? Pair of straight lines. Okay. So this is the general definition of the pair of straight lines. So see here, what is L1? a1x plus b1y plus c1 into what is L2 line? a2x plus b2y plus c2. This is equal to 0. So this is called as pair of straight lines. Okay. So next we will discuss some types of equations. So first one, homogeneous equation. Homogeneous equation. See here, homogeneous equation means if any equation having the same degree, then the type of equation is called homogeneous equation. Homogeneous equation means if any equation having same degree. Okay. So that is called as homogeneous equation. See here, for example, L1x plus m1y is equals to 0. So clearly, here degree of this equation is what? Degree of this variable is 1 and degree of variable y is also 1. So clearly, this equation having same degree, therefore this type of equation is called homogeneous equation. See here another example, ax square plus bxy plus cy square is equals to 0. See here degree is 2 and here degree 1, degree 1. So total degree is 2. Here also degree is 2. So clearly this equation containing same degree. So therefore this type of equation is called what? Homogeneous equation. And a non-homogeneous equation. So what is mean by non-homogeneous equation? If any equation having not same degree, then the type of equation is called non-homogeneous equation. See here, for example, ax square plus by is equals to 0. So clearly this term, see here first term ax square, here degree is 2 and second term by, degree is 1. So clearly both the degrees are different. So therefore this type of equation is called what? Non-homogeneous equation. See here another example, ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So it represents a straight line. Here degree of x is 1, degree of y is 1, but degree of c. So clearly here degree is 0. So this equation not having same degree. So this equation is called non-homogeneous equation. So see our next note. First one, every homogeneous equation is passing through origin. Passing through origin. See the second one. Every non-homogeneous equation is not passing through origin. Not passing through origin. Okay. So here for example, L1x plus M1y is equals to 0. So clearly, so what is this equation? Homogeneous. So because of x degree 1 and y degree 1. So this equation having same degree. So this equation is called homogeneous equation. So put x is equals to 0. So what you get? Y also 0. So clearly from this you can say that this line passing through the origin. So here consider the coordinate axis. Here L1x plus M1y. So clearly it is passing through the origin. So this is from L1x plus M1y is equals to 0. Okay. It is passing through the what? Origin. And second one, example, ax plus by minus c is equals to 0. Here degree 1, degree 1, but degree of c. So this is constant. So degree is 0. So clear this equation is called what? Non-homogeneous. So because of this equation not having same degree. See here. So clearly this is not passing through the origin. If you put x is equals to 0, put x is equals to 0. So what is y value? So y is equal to c value. So clear it is not passing through the origin. So in that case, the line intersect the coordinate axis at two distinct points. This is 0. So from this we can say that every homogeneous equation passing through the origin, but every non-homogeneous equation not passing through the origin. Okay. So here next, consider L1 is L1x plus M1y is equals to 0 and L2 is L2x plus M2y is equals to 0. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. B, two lines. So clearly these two are homogeneous only. So simply write B two homogeneous equations. Okay. Then you know that the combined equation of L1 and L2 is called as pair of twinkles. So see here, then L1 into L2. So what is that? L1x plus M1y into L2x plus M2y. This is equals to 0. Now multiply these two, what you get? L1 L2 x square. L1 L2 x square. Next, first term and second term. L1 M2 xy. Next, second term into first term. So what is that? M1 L2 xy. Next, last term. You will get M1 M2 y square is equals to 0. Then how to write this one? L1 L2 x square plus 2L1 M2 xy. Next, plus M1 M2 y square is equal to 0. So once you observe here, so these two are homogeneous equation. Then product of two homogeneous equations. So product of two homogeneous. So what you get? See here, degree is 2, degree 1, degree 1, total degree is 2. Here also degree is 2. So clearly from this you can say that the product of two homogeneous equation is also a homogeneous equation. Okay. So this is the first one, first condition. And see the second one. Here consider any two non-homogeneous equations. So see here, let L1 is A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equals to 0. Next, and L2 is A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equals to 0. So B, two non-homogeneous equations. Okay. Then product of two non-homogeneous. See here, L1 into L2. So what is that? A1x plus B1y plus C1 into A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equals to 0. Now multiplying these two. So here what you get? A1 A2 x square. Next A1 B2 xy plus A1 C2 x. So next multiply with B1y plus B1 A2 xy plus B1 B2 y square. Okay. So next plus B1 C2y plus A2 C1x plus B2 C1y plus C1 C2 is equals to 0. So once you observe this equation, here degree is 2, degree 1, degree 1, total degree is 2, degree is 1, degree is 2, degree is 2, degree is 1, and degree is 1, degree is 1, degree is 0. So here this equation not having same degree. So this equation is called what? Non-homogeneous equations. So clearly from this you can say that the product of two homogeneous equations represents a homogeneous equation, and the product of two non-homogeneous equations represents a non-homogeneous equation. So clearly this one also passes through the origin. So because of it is homogeneous equation. Okay. See here one is L1x plus M1y is equals to 0. So this is one of the straight line, and this is another straight line. Okay. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So this is passing through the origin because of these two are homogeneous equation. But here these two are non-homogeneous equation, not passing through the origin. Okay. So see the next definition: second degree homogeneous and non-homogeneous equation. See here, if any equation is of the form ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0. So clear, this is the second degree homogeneous equation. Then equation 1 is second degree homogeneous equation. So see here, degree 2, degree 1, degree 1, total degree 2, here degree 2. So clear it is homogeneous and highest degree is 2. So therefore it is second degree homogeneous equation. And if any equation is of the form, see here, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. This is equation 2. Then equation 2 is second degree non-homogeneous equation. Okay. So these are the definitions of second degree homogeneous and a non-homogeneous equation. And also see here. So what is equation 1? Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. So this is the second degree homogeneous equation. See here, you know that we have the second degree homogeneous equation. So represents product of two linear homogeneous equations. So already we discussed this. Suppose that is some L1x plus M1y into L2x plus M2y. So you can consider any two linear homogeneous equation. Now product of these two, you will get second degree homogeneous equation. Okay. Or you can consider either y minus mx and y minus m2x also. So degree of y is 1, degree of x is 1. So this is also homogeneous equation. So clearly every second degree homogeneous equation represents product of two linear homogeneous equations. Okay. So next one, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. So this is the non-homogeneous second degree equation. So this represents product of two linear non-homogeneous equations. So for example, that is L1x plus M1y plus N1 into L2x plus M2y plus N. Okay. So already discussed this. Product of two linear equations is what? Pair of triplets. Once you product these two, you will get L1 L2 x square. Suppose E is L1 L2 x square. Next, M1 L2 plus L1 L2 xy. Suppose that is 2hxy. Next, M1 M2 y square, that is by square. So clearly product of two linear homogeneous equation represents second degree homogeneous, and second degree homogeneous represents product of two linear homogeneous. Here product of two non-homogeneous linear equation represents second degree non-homogeneous equation. So next, so consider second degree homogeneous equation. That is what? Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Okay. So consider a second degree homogeneous equation. So you know that second degree homogeneous equation is of the form ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0. Now multiply a on both sides. See what you get? A square x square plus 2h axy plus ab y square is equals to 0. Okay. Now here add and subtract h square y square. Okay. So what you get? A square x square plus 2 ax into hy, next plus h square y square minus h square y square plus ab y square equals to 0. So clearly in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this can be written as a plus b whole square. That is ax plus hy whole square. Okay. And in both terms minus y square is common. So minus of h square minus ab into y square is equals to 0. So clearly this can be also write as ax plus hy whole square minus square root of h square minus ab into y whole square is equals to 0. So in the form of a square minus b square, we have to write as a plus b into a minus b. So therefore this is ax plus hy plus square root of h square minus ab into y into ax plus hy minus square root of h square minus ab into y is equals to 0. Okay. So clearly this is the homogeneous equation. So it represents product of two homogeneous equation. Okay. So here are three possibilities. So see the first one. If h square minus ab is equal to 0, that is what h square is equal to ab. Okay. So substitute here, what you get? So then equation 1 implies h square ab value is what? 0. So this is ax plus hy and this one also ax plus hy. So clearly both lines are coincident lines. So therefore equation 1 implies ax plus hy into ax plus hy is equal to 0. So therefore both lines are coincident. So this is the first possibility. So see the second one. H square minus AB is greater than 0. It is positive. So clearly both are different lines. Or then the lines are real lines. Then the lines are real lines. For example, h square minus AB is less than 0. H square minus AB is negative. So root of negative, not possible. So in this case, the lines are imaginary. The lines are imaginary. Okay. So these are the three possibilities. If h square equal to AB, then the lines are coincident lines. If h square greater than AB, then the lines are real lines. If h square is less than AB, then the lines are imaginary. Okay. See the next theorem. Let m1 and m2 are slopes of the lines ax square plus 2hx plus by square equals to 0. Then sum of the slopes and product of the slopes is 1. Okay. So see here, given ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. So divide with b on both sides. So divide with b on both sides. So what you get? A by bx square plus 2h by bxy plus y square equal to 0. So clearly this is a homogeneous equation of degree 2. So you know that every second degree homogeneous equation represents product of two linear homogeneous equation. Suppose this is equation 1. So let equation 1 represents two lines B. One is y minus m1x is equal to 0 and y minus m2x is equal to 0. So because of they given m1 and m2 are the slopes, so that's why I am taking y minus m1x one of the line and y minus m2x is another line. So clearly it represents these two only. So therefore a by bx square plus 2h by bxy plus y square is equal to product of these two, because of it represents these two. So y minus m1x into y minus m2x. So simplify right side, what you get? Y into y square. Next this one minus m2 xy minus m1 xy plus m1 m2 x square. Okay. So therefore this can be written as a by bx square plus 2h by bxy plus y square. This is equals to, so first write this one m1 m2 x square. See here in both terms minus xy is come. That is minus of m1 plus m2 of xy plus y square. Now comparing the coefficients on both sides. So comparing the coefficients. See what you get. See x square coefficient is a by b. X square coefficient a by b is equals to what? M1 m2. And xy coefficient 2h by b is what? Minus of m1 plus m2. So from this m1 plus m2 is minus 2h by b and m1 m2 is a by b. Therefore, the sum of the slopes is minus 2h by b and product of the slopes is what? A by b. Okay. So for next session, we will discuss more concept.